you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I have a fun fall video because it is September 1st almost. It's actually August 30th right now. And it's time to decorate for fall. I'm obsessed with fall. I probably will talk about how much I love fall in this video. Fall vibes is it. And in today's video, we're getting ready for fall. I'm gonna take you shopping. We're gonna go look for fall decor and we're going to decorate with the fall decor that I have. I don't like to go too crazy and splurge a ton on home decor. I think that you can get some nice couple pieces and I think you can decorate your home with what you have and also find a couple more things that are within budget that will work just fine. So that is what we're doing today, just getting ready for fall and all the fall vibes, even though it's still 100 degrees in Texas, but that is okay. Here we go, let's decorate with me for fall. Hello you guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name's Lauren. If you're just finding me, I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and today I am doing a little fall decor series. And you know exactly what that means. Bring out the pumpkins, bring out the spiced lattes, bring out the goblins, leaves, we're gonna need it all. It's time for fall. That kind of rhymed actually. I love fall. I'm sure just like every other girl, woman, person out there, I'm obsessed with the fall time. It's just crisp and it's fun. You make all the goods and the pumpkin things and the weather's changing. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's just the most perfect time of the year. It's wonderful. I do have some like fall / Halloween decor already, but I want to amp it up a little bit. But I'm not someone who can just go to Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's and just like spend $200 on home decor for a holiday. I'm not really about that. I like spending money on home decor that I have out all the time. When it comes to holiday decor, I'm more of a girl that's like balling on a budget. That is what I'm doing today. I'm currently at Dollar Tree. Yes, I'm currently at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna see what they have, and then I have to go get groceries at Walmart after this, so I'm gonna check out their fall decor, see what I can come up with. I might go to Dollar General a little bit later. I'm just gonna peruse the budget fall decor section, see what I can come up with, and just make my home a little more festive. Find anything at Walmart like fall pumpkin-y things for food, coffee in general, and we're just gonna see what we can find. So first stop is Dollar General, like I said, and we're gonna see what kind of goodies I can get under $10, honestly. All right, first stop of the day, we are going into Dollar Tree and checking out what kind of fall decor I can find. There was a lot of this kind of floral, like fall floral vibes going on, but I wasn't loving this. For the most part, they had a lot of Halloween decor, one little pumpkin left, but didn't want that one. I did, however, find this fall floral, which I was really loving the colors, and I kind of came up with a good idea to combine these two like tan and beige colored hydrangeas. So I made a cute little bouquet out of them. They did have a ton of Halloween decor, which I thought was cute. Look at this cute little pumpkin. But I'm not really going for the Halloween vibes, but I did want to just show you some of the cute Halloween stuff that they had. I did love, however, this pumpkin. It wasn't painted, and I know you're supposed to paint it, but I kind of liked the wood look. And they just had a bunch of cute little fall stuff, little knickknacks, a lot of scarecrows, but just wasn't the vibe that I was going for. Here's some more little ceramic pumpkins and a skull. I did, however, grab some of these little plastic pumpkins you'll see later on. And then I did hop over to Tuesday Morning. I didn't get anything, but they had these cute little napkin washcloths and these wreaths. But this wreath was $50, so I did not take that home. Alright you guys, I just left the Dollar Tree and I got some goodies. I already showed you what I got pretty much, but I picked up some of these little pumpkins. They're like gold glitter with black polka dots. I'm thinking I'm gonna put these, I had those like glass jars in my kitchen, fill them with these instead, just because we don't really eat candy and junk food. So I'm like, I might as well just fill them with something that we're not gonna want to be like tempted to eat. And then I loved these flowers. I got them in like a light yellow beige cream color and then this like orangey tan color. I'm gonna put these in this vase that's on our coffee table. But I got 6 arrangements of the flowers, and then I got 12 of the little pumpkins, and it was $9.75. So it was under 10 bucks like I was hoping for. Now I'm gonna run to Walmart to get groceries, but we're also gonna look at the fall decor there, see what we can find. All right, now we're at Walmart, so we are gonna grab a cart and see what kind of fall goodies we can find. The first thing I see set up are these little pumpkin arrangements. They were cute, but I didn't think they were really worth the money, so I didn't get one. They did have a bunch of like pumpkin bundles, little bundles for $2.98. So I did grab a couple different colored pumpkins, the orange, white, and this mint colored one. They had this larger stack of pumpkins, which I also thought was cute, but didn't really want to spend $15. I did, however, grab a little bundle of pumpkins, and I wanted to show you guys these cute little costumes. They had another little section for decor for only 98 cents or 97 cents, so I ended up grabbing some of these pumpkin stems. But they had a bunch of just cute little florals for pretty inexpensive. If you want more of that Halloween vibe, they did have kind of that black and orange look. But look at this cute pillow. I didn't get it, but I thought that October 31st one was so cute. They did have this giant skeleton that was almost $100. Didn't get him. My last stop at the decor was, of course, the candles. I saw this cute pumpkin weather one for $8, so I did get that one. And then they had a warm apple pie. I didn't smell that one, but it sounded good. I also saw these like wreath making kits. I considered doing it, but I just don't have time to make a wreath. In the way of florals, Walmart had a ton of fall floral, and they even had some cute little PJs that I was really almost buying. But then I also saw these PJs. How freaking cute. Didn't get it, but kind of regret it. But here's just a bunch of food I saw. Yum. Also the coffee. Alright, I just got in my car from Walmart. It is a freaking hot one, guys. I did get some fall things that I will show y'all when I get home. Just little pumpkin things, nothing huge. But yeah, I'm excited to get it all put out. There was some like pumpkin food items or like fall food items out and available, but I didn't get anything pumpkin spicy. It was mostly like sweeter items. I'm ready for Trader Joe's to put their stuff out, because that's definitely when I'm gonna be going and getting stuff. Trader Joe's has like the best fall food options. Definitely hitting that up. I don't think my Trader Joe's has put their fall stuff out yet, so I need to give that a couple weeks. But I'm gonna head home and get these groceries put up, and then we will get the fall decor ready to go. All right, you guys, I just got home and I've got all the fall decor out and ready to go. This is the new stuff that I just bought today from Dollar Tree and Walmart, and then this is the stuff that I've already had. It isn't a lot, just like a little array of some pumpkins, and then this cutie little like Halloween sign that I put up. I'm not like a huge like make it look like fall throughout in my house, but I do just want to add a little bit of fall touches just to spice things up a bit. So that is what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna show you things that I got from Walmart since I didn't show you that already. I got this pumpkin weather candle, so cute. It's a tall one. It was, I think, around $8. super cute, smells so good. I got these little like pumpkin stems that are in that like orange gingham print. These were only $2.98 a piece, and I'm probably gonna stick them with those flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of these white little mini pumpkins. This little bundle was also $2.98, and I'm going to put these with the sparkly ones in that clear jar like I mentioned earlier. And then I got like a little set of 3. They were also $2.98 each of these little pumpkins. This is like a light orange one, a white one, and then my favorite color is like this mint colored pumpkin. So just gonna add some little fall touches around the house, make this place a little more festive for fall. Here we go.